The Kit Kat and Kit Kat names were trademarked in 1911 by the Rowntree's company based in York, United Kingdom. The first Kit Kat concept appeared in the 1920s when Rowntree's launched a brand of box chocolates named Kit Kat, which was discontinued in the 1930s. The original four-finger bar was developed after a worker at the Rowntree's York factory put a suggestion in a suggestion box for a snack that a man could take to work in his pack. The four-finger bar was launched on August 19, 1935, under the name Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp. In 1937, the bar was renamed to Kit Kat Chocolate Crisp and began to incorporate break into its advertising. In the 1940s, after its success in the UK, Kit Kat was exported to Canada, South Africa, Ireland, Australia, and New Zealand. The Kit Kat became blue between 1944 and 1947 as a result of milk shortages. After the end of World War II, the milk chocolate was suspended and a dark chocolate was used instead. In 1958, Donald Gills created the iconic advertising line, "Have a break, have a Kit Kat." In the 1970s, Rowntree's created a new factory in Germany to meet European demand and established agreements to distribute the brand in the USA and Japan. In June 1988, Nestlé acquired Kit Kat through the purchase of Rowntree's. The Kit Kat Chunky was launched in 1999. Kit Kat is now manufactured in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, Bulgaria, Russia, Turkey, Dubai, South Africa, India, Malaysia, Japan, and Australia. The main formats for Kit Kat are the 2-finger, 4-finger, Chunky, and Pop Chuck. Kit Kat is also sold in localized flavors around the world, like green tea and wasabi in Japan. In the US, Kit Kat is manufactured by Hershey's under license from Nestlé. This is the US packaging and logo, and this is the European packaging and logo. The biggest single retail outlet for Kit Kat is Dubai Airport Duty Free. Around 1 ton of Kit Kat is sold there every day. Thank you for watching and have a break. Have a Kit Kat.